Hey guys, it's Chris from Visual Integration. Today we're going to talk about the new color change effect in KineMaster, so stick around. Now that we're back, we're going to go down and we're going to open up KineMaster. Once we have it open, we're going to create a new project. We're going to choose the 16:9. You can choose any ratio that you like. I'm choosing 16:9. This method works on videos and photos, but for this small tutorial and review, I'm just going to do a photo for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up media and we're going to click a photo. Let's see, we'll pick KineMaster's logo. So after we have the logo popped up, and remember, this is just for educational purposes, so just bear with me. So once you have your photo or your video loaded, what you want to do is you want to click Layer, and you want to go to Effect. Go down and click Color Changer Effect. After you have that, and keep in mind, you have to go to the asset store and download this. It is free, but you just have to go to the store and download it. So it's pretty cool. Great idea from the development team. I love it. I plan on using it for a lot of video editing and pictures and stuff. It's a great addition to have. So I really recommend you go do it. And you can use this for a lot of things. So let me show you how it works. Once we have that, we're going to click Layer, click Effect, and color changer. Of course, we already done this, but we didn't. Click the check mark. There we go. Once we have it loaded, we're going to size this to the size that we want to change the color of the object. Once we have it sized, right in the middle of the right-hand part of your screen, you'll see settings. Once you see that, you'll see color offset, hue, and saturation. What you want to do is right under color offset, you want to go with hue. You want to start sliding it to the left and to the right, and it'll start changing the color right off the bat. Okay, see that, guys? Very cool. Let's just say we get down to the color we want. Let's say around blue. We can go to saturation. We can brighten it or brighten the blue, dull the blue, whatever you wish. If you keep scrolling on down, we have lightness. It'll lighten it up, darken it up. Very, very cool, guys. Very cool. Must have. You need this in your arsenal for video editing, photo editing. So it's a really good tool, a very good tool to have. So let's just delete this. That's one example we can use. Now we're going to download or upload it rather. Let's see, a photo of this pretty flower. Here we go. Let's say, just for an example, we want to change half the color of the photo. Or let's just change the whole photo of it. Or change the whole color of the photo. So we're going to click Layer, Effect, Color Changer again. Select it. And we're going to size the whole photo. This is a really cool effect, guys. I really love this. So just like before, we're going to start playing with the hue and see how that just changes things, guys. Look in the middle. It chooses the color that we have selected above, color red, to be changed. You see that? That's really cool. So up above color offset, we have color red selected. So that's the color it's changing. You see that? So cool. I love it. Just like before, you go down and hit saturation, it'll change and everything like that right there. Guys, this is a very cool addition. If you don't have it downloaded, you need to download it. I'm sure it'll come useful for you. It'll help make your videos and your photos more vivid. So download it. Download it today. Use it. But this video, hey, let me know what you think. Comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share it. Don't forget, we're doing a giveaway at the end of this video. So Any random comment that I choose will be the recipient of a free Amazon $20 gift card. So, hey, make sure you comment. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.